of raining like hell here. It's Sunday, and I'm thinking about staying, trying to sleep a little bit, and then getting up at like 2:30 in the morning and driving into work. That's what I'm thinking about. That's the plan. Really haven't cracked a beer all weekend until just now. And I got fucking 4 of them left. So I am not going to drive home. Even though I need a shower pretty bad. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go straight to work. Get up in the middle of the night and go straight to work. Then go home. The rain, it makes everything smell really good. Really good. Little creeks running downhill there on my road. It's kind of cool. Signing out.